Want to deactivate your account on Instagram, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Now let's get started. To temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Account Center. Then select Manage Accounts. Tap Manage. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Select Deactivate Account. Then tap Continue. If you have a Threads profile linked to your Instagram account, you'll be warned that your Threads profile will also be deactivated. If you still want to go ahead, tap Continue. If prompted, enter your password for security verification. Choose the reason you want to delete your account. Tap Continue. You may be given advice on how to deal with the reason you want to deactivate your account other than deactivating it. You can also choose if you want your account to automatically reactivate after 1 to 7 days, or not automatically reactivate if you'd prefer to manually reactivate it at a later time. Then tap Continue. Finally, tap Deactivate Account to finish the process. Your account will then be deactivated and you'll be logged out. If you've opted to have your account reactivate after a set number of days, it will automatically reactivate after that time has passed. To manually reactivate your account, simply log back into Instagram using the email address and password for the account you've deactivated. That's all it takes to deactivate your Instagram account. Want to permanently delete it instead? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.